The STM Series spindle testing machines from Kunz Precision are unique, high-precision measuring systems for ball screw spindles up to 8,000 millimeters in length. The robust design, made from high-precision hard stone, ensures maximum stability. The laser measurement system, with full compensation for environmental conditions, ensures unrestricted functionality under production conditions. The spindle testing machine impresses with its unique measurement accuracy. The spindle is either clamped between centers or placed in the high-precision prisms and secured in the precision chuck. Measurement setup is completed in a very short time using the intuitive measurement and evaluation software. The highly stable headstock with the rotary axis, in combination with the precision chuck, rotates the test specimens with exceptional bearing stability. The measurement process is fully automatic, tactile dynamic, with a traveling vacuum air-bearing measuring slide on which the reflector of the laser measuring system is mounted directly above the ball screw spindle. Together with the angle information from the high-resolution rotary encoder in the headstock, precise spindle pitch values are determined. The measurement and evaluation software records several hundred measurement values per revolution, calculates deviations according to recognized standards, and generates the corresponding measurement reports. STM Series spindle testing machines from Kunz Precision efficiently measure ball screw spindles with diameters ranging from 4 to 125 millimeters and lengths of up to 8,000 millimeters. These unique machines stand out due to their exceptional precision, efficient measuring process, and user-friendly operation. With our measurement services and products, we contribute to metrology and find excellent solutions which inspire. Kunz Precision excels with the highest measuring accuracy worldwide.